Have you ever wondered how something this big can come out of such a tiny pore? What you're seeing is a large blackhead being extracted. Despite the name, blackheads aren't actually dirt trapped inside your skin. They're made of oil, dead skin cells, and a protein called keratin. The dark color appears when this material is exposed to air and oxidizes. Many people think blackheads only happen because of poor hygiene, but that's a myth. Even people who wash their face regularly can develop them. Factors like oily skin, hormones, genetics, and clogged pores all play a role. One interesting fact is that the nose has one of the highest concentrations of oil glands on the face. That's why blackheads are especially common in this area. The extra oil mixes with dead skin cells, creating the perfect environment for clogged pores. During an extraction, the goal is to apply steady, controlled pressure around the pore rather than forcing the blockage out. If too much pressure is used, the surrounding skin can become inflamed, leading to redness, broken capillaries, or even scarring. Not every dark spot on the nose is a blackhead, either. Many people actually have sebaceous filaments, which are a normal part of healthy skin. They help transport oil to the skin surface, and usually return within a few weeks after being removed. Blackheads, on the other hand, are clogged pores that contain oxidized debris. To reduce blackheads over time, dermatologists often recommend ingredients like salicylic acid, which penetrates into the pore and dissolves excess oil, and retinoids, which help prevent pores from becoming clogged in the first place. Consistent skin care is usually more effective than frequent squeezing. Another common mistake is using sharp tools or fingernails at home without proper sanitation. This increases the risk of introducing bacteria into the skin, which can turn a simple blackhead into an inflamed pimple or even an infection. As this extraction continues, notice how the material comes out in one long piece. That happens because the contents have compacted together over time inside the pore. Once the blockage is removed, the pore often looks cleaner immediately, but keeping it clear requires regular skin care rather than repeated extractions. Once the blockage has been removed, the pore may appear smaller, but it's important to understand that pores don't actually open and close like doors. Their appearance changes depending on how much oil and debris they contain. Clean pores simply look less noticeable. Another important point is that extractions alone won't stop blackheads from coming back. Your skin naturally produces oil every day, so without a consistent skincare routine, the pores can become clogged again over time. A gentle cleanser, regular exfoliation with ingredients like salicylic acid, and a non-comedogenic moisturizer can make a significant difference. Wearing sunscreen daily is also essential because UV damage can worsen skin texture and make enlarged pores more visible. If someone experiences severe blackheads, painful acne, or frequent breakouts, it's often better to consult a dermatologist instead of trying aggressive extractions at home. Professional treatments can remove blockages more safely while reducing the risk of permanent scars. It's also worth remembering that videos like this are satisfying to watch, but every person's skin is different. What works for one individual may not be the right approach for someone else. Healthy skin is usually the result of patience, consistency, and proper care rather than quick fixes. If you found this extraction fascinating and learned something new about how blackheads form and how to prevent them, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more educational skincare content. Let me know in the comments, have you ever had a blackhead this stubborn, or do you have a skincare question you'd like answered in a future video? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.